You're in a Google Meet conference call and something's off with your camera. I'm Chanel Greco from Saperis, and in this video I'll show you how you can check your camera settings during a Google Meet call. Hey, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button because twice a week we publish video tutorials about Gmail, Google Meet, Google Drive, etc. So you're in a Google Meet call and as I said, something's off with your camera and you want to check the settings. How do you do that? Here you have these three dots, you click on them and then you click on settings, and on the video pane you have the possibility of checking or changing your camera settings. So in my case, you see I'm on the webcam, but I could also change to my built-in camera from my notebook, which is right over here, as you can see. I can change the definition of that. Let's say I don't have that much bandwidth, so I can lower the quality of the video, no problem. Also the receiving resolution so what it gets streamed to me from the other conference call participants. Let's put that back to best quality and let's change back to this camera. So this would be the first place for you to come and check the quality of or the settings of your camera. Something else that has occurred to me quite often with video conferencing tools is that I'll join the meeting, and even though my camera, my webcam in this case, is plugged in, I just am not getting an image of me. What I'll then typically do is I'll unplug and replug my camera, and very often that kind of like resets it and gives me back the image that I was waiting for. So if you have any questions concerning the camera settings in Google Meet calls, go ahead and leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.